What's the deal, everybody? Today I have a Widebody Scatpack for you. Today we're gonna actually put electric cutouts on it. Customer brought in these electric cutouts. I am not sure the brand name, I didn't ask. I will get it later. But this is what we have. Basically what you have is the Y pipe. And then you have the motor. The motor is actually a valve that opens and closes. This is the motor. It's really simple. Wiring goes all the way back. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to the camera. The wiring runs all the way to the front, and the best part about this is it is a cigarette lighter based, which means you can unplug it, plug it up. You don't have to worry about any type of problems with it burning out your battery, PCM, anything like that. So without further ado, okay, so right here we have stock. Technically it's a mid-muffler delete at this moment. That's where we have to put the electronic cutouts. There's no other place to fit them, specifically with this brand. So now this is closed. With the key, add focus, I'm gonna open it. You can notice the tone difference immediately. I'm gonna close it again. Total different sound. Okay, so we're gonna give you another shot. This is closed, and now I'm gonna open it. You can notice a big change in difference just on idle. Close it again. Now it's closed. Now that's a rev on with basically what would be a mid-muffler delete. Now I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna get another rev. Big noticeable. So there you have it. 2019 Scat Pack, less than 500 miles, came to RTB, got electronic cutouts installed. Customer brought them in. The brand name is actually Hooker, not the same as Hooker headers. I had to do a little research on those. I've never seen that brand before. Not to say it's not a bad brand though. They actually went really smooth. So pros and cons for electronic cutouts. Pros are you can be loud when you want to, and you can be semi-quiet when you want to. Very good if you pull up next to CHP, sheriffs, anybody who's just looking for a problem. The drawback on it is there's a couple drawbacks. First and foremost, if you plan on racing your car, you will always have what is an exhaust leak. The valve does not completely seal inside it. There's no gasket, there's no nothing like that as far as for the valve when it opens and closes. So you'll always have a slight leak around there. That's a tuner's nightmare. The other drawback is you have electronics now underneath your car, aftermarket electronics. You drive over a bump and bottom out, you can potentially break something. You could rip a wire out. We do our best to tuck everything as high and away as we possibly can, but it's up to the driver how they drive. So it's a really cool thing. I would definitely want to put one on one car of mine, but given that I like to go fast and I'm into tuning and stuff like that, it won't work out for me. But to each his own. Very glad with this build. Loved it. Customer called me back. Actually, the customer called me back and let me know that he absolutely loves it. Got a repeat customer. So with that said, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy your day.